Welcome to National Organising Week. What is that, you might ask? Well, the Association of Professional Declutterers and Organisers in the UK, APDO for short, is having this week, National Organising Week, as a fixed agenda point every year for the last couple of years. The point here is that you will be made more aware of our existence, but also that we give you some tools that will help you keep yourself organized better, not just your homes, but also your life. In my particular case, I've decided to do a 7-day run of very short videos to guide you through the process of organizing one small project. What's going to happen is that I'll help you choose a suitable project and guide you through it step by step. The brilliant thing about this is that once you've done all the steps, you'll be in a position to apply the exact same strategy to other parts of your home or your life that you may want to adjust or to organize better. The only limit is scale and scope. So if something gets too big, you may need to call someone else in, or you may need help. But for most projects, you can do them on your own. And the 6 following videos will guide you through all the steps you need. So if that interests you in the least, why not come back tomorrow and watch the first of 6 steps that I'm going to explain to you. If you want more, there are options. Click the round logo to subscribe to this channel, or select the playlist in the middle to see more content, or check out the links in the description below. Oh, and feel free to like this video.